In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a sticky header in Wix Studio. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping important navigation elements always within reach as your visitors scroll through your website. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of how to successfully implement this in your Wix website. By the end of this video, your visitors will experience seamless navigation, enhancing their overall browsing experience. First, you'll want to open Wix Studio and navigate to the page editor. If you're unfamiliar with this, don't worry. The page editor is essentially where you go to make all visual and structural modifications to your site's pages. Within this editor, look towards the upper portion of your page. This is where your header section resides, and it typically contains your logo and primary navigation menu. Go ahead and click on this top area of your page. By selecting the header, you're telling Wix that this is the element you intend to modify. Now, with your header selected, it's time to enable the sticky positioning. To do this, right-click on the header area. A context menu will appear, and from here, you're going to select Header Scroll Settings. This option will allow you to dictate how your header behaves as users scroll down the page. Within the header scroll settings, you're looking for the option to freeze the header. Select this, and what you're essentially doing is setting the header to stick to the top of the page. As your site visitors scroll down the web page, instead of the header scrolling away with the rest of the content, it remains fixed, always visible at the top of the screen. And just like that, your header is now sticky. This means it will stay present at the top of the page, allowing users to easily navigate to different parts of your website without needing to scroll all the way back up. It's a small addition, but one that can significantly improve the user experience on your site. As we wrap up, it's important to test your site to make sure everything is working as expected. Preview your website and scroll through the pages to confirm that the header remains visible as you intended. Remember, having a sticky header is an excellent way to make sure your visitors have your most important links readily accessible at all times. This enhancement can be a game changer, especially for longer pages or sites with intricate navigation paths. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that your website visitors will enjoy seamless navigation thanks to this feature.